$5 at an estate sale.
Nobody else wanted it. 20 minutes, one ingredient that you probably already have in your pantry. I'm using cream of tartar to restore thrifted treasures and flipping them with total transparency. No harsh chemicals, no expensive equipment, just simple science and a little patience.
And honestly, it works way better than it should.
He was skeptical at first.
I was, but look at this thing. It was nearly black with tarnish. And now look how good it looks. Here's how it works. We hunt estate sales, thrift stores, and antique markets for tarnished pieces nobody else sees value in.
Then we clean them with cream of tartar, of course. Everything gets listed and we track every single flip.
Invested, earned, listed, sold, it's all right here.
Every week, we'll show you what moved, what didn't, and what we're going to restore next.
If you've ever walked past a tarnished thrift find and wondered what was underneath, you're in the right place. Subscribe and hit the bell.
Let's see what this cream of tartar can do next.